Hello guys, so gonna talk a teeny bit about the Flip and why this may be a drone to choose, or the Mini 4 Pro, which these both seem to have a lot of comparisons, and I haven't heard anyone talk about this, so I figured I'd touch on it. Maybe they have, I just haven't seen it. But this Mini 4 Pro is a 249 gram drone, just like the Flip. And the unique thing is we can fly this over people, right? If we have the right things in place. So in order to fly my Mini 4 Pro, let me take the gimbal cover off, I need to do a few things. So first, I need to unfold the props, but that's not part of this. So we need to have a waiver in place. First and foremost with the FAA, we got to file for a waiver to fly over people, which I have done, and it got approved, and that lasts a few years. So we need an FAA waiver to fly legally over people. We need to have remote ID, and in order to have remote ID enabled on the Mini 4 Pro, a lot of people probably don't know this. I just kind of figured this out and learned. You can't have this 249 gram battery. You need to be over 249 grams for the remote ID to kick in on the built-in module or whatever on the Mini 4 Pro. So I didn't know that. So you need to have the larger batteries. Here, let me put this in the right way. You need to have the larger battery, not the 249 gram lighter battery in the drone to have the remote ID to be enabled. You need to have also a strobe. So this is Firehouse strobe, 3 statute mile visibility. You need to have that on the top of the Mini 4 Pro. And what else do we need? We need these things in this box, prop guards. So, boop, boop. The prop guards are pretty inexpensive, $30. I haven't even taken them out of the box because I'd never used prop guards. But this was going to be my drone for flying over people. Essentially, that was going to be the sole purpose of this guy. So now we have a dilemma. This thing came out. So we have this Flip, which just unfolds. I disabled the power on automatically, but it has built-in prop guards. And it's essentially the same camera as the Mini 4 Pro. So now this thing can easily fly over people with no waiver, and that's that. So for simplicity's sake, this thing is definitely a great drone for those kinds of circumstances where you may need to fly over people legally. And this thing is going to take a little bit more to take care of that. So again, we need to have the larger battery for the drone to be over 250 grams for the remote ID module to actually kick in and work. We need to have a strobe. We need to have the prop guards, which here, we'll take these things out of the box. I literally didn't even open this yet. And they look like this. So let me take them out and see how easily they go on to this Mini 4 Pro. But as you see, now they're both kind of filling the same purpose. And do I need both? No. Do I like to have both? Probably, because I'm a drone dork, but less is really more. We don't need to keep on consuming. That's not a good thing. We might as well rock what we have. And if we have too much, guess what? You stop using almost everything. It's like having 150mm lens and going on vacation. You're going to rock that thing out, get super nice shots most likely because you have one lens, you have less thinking involved, and you're just going to create and use it. If you have 24, 70, 300, 70 to 200, all these different focal lengths and apertures, guess what? You're going to kind of get confused most likely creatively, and it just kind of goes all over the place, in my experiences at least. So let's get these things out and see. But, okay. Dorky prop guards. So now look at these. Okay, so here. Let's see how these things even go on. I don't know how they go on. Okay, so we got these prop guards almost on. So messing around with these prop guards for the Mini 4 Pro is not necessarily a ton of fun. So there's that. We're getting them snapped in right now into place, and there we go. So now we got this dorky thing, which is a really cool drone, but we got these big prop guards on, and now how well will it fly? Well, we thought this thing looked kind of dorky, right? With the way this looks, and kind of, oh my God, this is not going to be very aerodynamic or wind resistant. But now look at this thing. What the hell is this? This thing doesn't look much better, right? So we have this, and we have this. What would you rather fly? I don't know. This thing unfolds up in the air, fly over people. This thing, you got to get prepared. You got to make sure you have the right battery in it. You got to get a waiver, which isn't that difficult. You got to put a strobe on it. And yeah, less is more adage, as I like to say. And for that, the Flip actually wins. So this is going to probably handle better in the wind, but I haven't flown this with the prop guards on in higher winds to see how it handles. So just one of those things I wanted to bring to your attention. Everyone wants to knock the Flip saying it's a flop, but the Flip is actually pretty cool. It's definitely limited. The Mini 4 Pro will kick its butt in the winds without the prop guards on. My Mini 2 will do better in the winds than the Flip. And that was a drone that was released in 2020. So think about that one. The Mini 2 still, in my opinion, gives better image quality and handles better in winds than this little guy, which was released just this year, or whatever it was. Yeah, it was this year. So 2 drones for flying over people. Which one do you prefer? Which one do you think is simpler? Do you think this thing with the prop guards, or do you think this? Boop, 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 ready to go. So kind of a no-brainer in a way. And that's it. Hope this helps make a little easier decision if you're up against which drone to buy. Mini 4 Pro is a great drone, going to be more capable in the winds than the Flip. But if you even have any consideration about flying over people, know that to do this legally, it's going to take more energy. It's going to take a strobe. It's going to take a larger battery to make sure the remote ID is enabled. It's going to take prop guards, the FAA waiver, this thing, unfold, and good to go. Bye.